Hello and welcome to this video on finding the volume of a cylinder for non-calculator. We're told that to find the volume of a cylinder we need to take pi times the radius squared and times it by the height. Essentially what we need to do is we find the base of the cylinder, which is always going to be a circle. Now hopefully we know that to find the area of a circle it's pi r squared. Radius being this length here from the centre of a circle to its outside edge. Let's look at some questions. We're told that a cylinder has a diameter of 8 centimetres, a height of 15, and we need to work out the volume of the cylinder and give our answer in terms of pi. The first thing that I notice with this question is that actually I haven't been given a radius, I've been given a diameter. Now a diameter runs right from one edge of the outside edge of the circle through the middle to the other side. We need to know that radius is exactly half diameter. So we can take our diameter and divide it by 2 or halve it, and our radius is going to be 4 centimetres. Putting that into our formula then, first of all we've got to find the area of the circle, so area is pi r squared. So we're going to do pi times our radius, which we found is 4 squared. Well, calculating this, 4 times 4, which is 4 squared, is 16, so pi times 16, and I'm just going to rewrite that as 16 pi. Haven't quite finished because that's just the area of the circle, so I've got to then multiply it by the height of the cylinder to find the volume. So that's going to be 16 pi times by the 15 centimetres. Now you could multiply that out however you want. I'm going to partition it because I find it easier to do that. So I'm going to say that 10 times 16 pi is 160 pi, and then 5 times 16 pi, well 5's half of 10, so it's going to be half of 160, which is 80 pi, and then add the two together for 240 pi, and that's it. I finished the question because I've been asked to leave it in terms of pi, so I need to leave it like that. Let's look at another question. Again, the cylinder has a radius of 6 centimetres, so this time I've been given the radius instead of a diameter, so that's good there, and a height of 10. We've got to use that pi is equal to 3. Now that's quite kind of the examiner because pi is 3 and a bit. If I was going to write it to 3 places of decimal, it would be 3.142, and as this is a non-calculator question, well, it'd be really quite tricky if we were expecting you to be able to use 3.142 or however many places of decimal to work it out. So we're going to use 3 instead of pi. Area is equal to pi r squared, so we've got 3 instead of pi times our radius, which is 6 squared. 6 squared, 6 times 6 for 36, 3 times 36. Multiplying that out, or well 3 36s aren't so many. If you wanted to just add those together, if you felt more comfortable doing that, that wouldn't be so bad, but it's actually 108. And then I've just got to finish it off by multiplying it by the length, which is 10. That's not too bad to do, is it? Just pop a 0 on the end there, for 1080. Now that's centimetres cubed, and rather helpfully up here the question has told us that 1 litre is equal to 1000 centimetres cubed because we needed to show that the volume of the cylinder is more than 1 litre, and we have done that.